Here we've got Huawei Y6 from 2019, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on the following device. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select System, and go to Developer Options right here. If you cannot find Developer Options here, just take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock Developer Options, and then smoothly enter them, scroll down a bit, and select Demo Mode. Here it is, so if you want to activate it, just tap on this switcher, and then if you'd like to also show it, click here, and that's it. As you can see, it has been changed even in the status bar of yours. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.